Hey all, welcome to another week of the weekly wrap. What we're going to do is go over the three pairs, the EU, GU and AU, and just see where they are and what we can anticipate for the weeks to come. And next week is our focal point. Alright, so starting off on Monday we had a pin bar just here. This pin bar essentially contradicted this one, so it was sort of a bit of in limbo. And Tuesday pointed this out very clearly. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday were pretty much slow volume days. Excuse me. Price didn't really move much. And if you got caught in any of this, it was quite difficult. But as Thursday came out, we had a lot of Euro news, as well as the partial / direction for the Greek bailout, or the second one. So this was all very positive news to the market, and we pushed a lot higher. Friday we had a little bit of a retrace. I anticipate us to have a retrace back to the zone that it pushed from. So keep an eye on this. Also keep an eye on this swing high as the next zones to look out for to place trades. The main one will be this retrace. Nice push higher. But watch out for these zones just up here. So overall, I hope you had a good trading week on Euro. It was pretty hard for the first couple of days, especially with the conflict here with these two pin bars. And then the nothingness day on Tuesday. But overall, Wednesday and Thursday were pretty good days. And Friday was pretty easy as pullback was pretty well guaranteed after the strong push up. Alright, let's have a look at GU. This is pretty much the same thing, except there was no contradiction. Price did push higher. It broke through this area, only just though. Just across from here. Retrace to it. You can see this a lot better and clearer on other time frames. And then push straight through. Yet again, it'll be a nice retrace trade, so keep an eye on this one. 62 zone. Next areas to look out for are the 165, which is this high along here. Also a minor one will be this 164 area, just around here. I don't think that'll pose too much issues compared to this 165. So keep an eye on both of those levels. And AU is finally broken up. It has taken quite a long time to push higher, riding on this trend line for a bit, but also it broke this triangle a little while ago, this triangle pattern, but it also made a new low, so there was a little bit of contradictory information, but this was based off this SR. So excuse all the lines there, but all in all, price has pushed up and broken the SR that we've been talking about for a week or so, this 1080 area, or 800 area. So, and I do anticipate us to further push higher and a retrace before it takes on this 1.1 thousand zone, just here. I don't anticipate this 1.1 thousand zone to be broken quickly. It's basically new ground for the AU. So keep a close eye on that area. Overall, I think the bias will be long this week. Keep an eye on the US AAA rating to see if they do maintain it. The end deadline for them is actually the 2nd of August, depending on your time zone, but 2nd of August might be a Tuesday for you. Or the news might actually be out on the Wednesday, on the 3rd of August. I like myself. So keep an eye on that. That'll play a huge role in all three of these pairs. If the US loses their AA rating, expect these pairs to skyrocket. And SR won't really play a point until it starts to settle down again. Alright. So in the big picture, our next few zones right above it the 16850 zone and the 17000 zone on the GU. On the EU, we're looking at this 1.5 thousand and then 1.5150 zone. Alright, so they're a long way off, but we should see a fair bit of movement higher if we can break these levels first. So you can see price is stepping down, but it's making an attempt to try to knock off these swing highs. And if it does that, then we should anticipate for a further push higher. Alright, thanks for watching all. I hope you had a fantastic weekend and week, and good luck with your trading this week.